Hello there. This is called Dead Poets and the Birds. God dying on my mind. It comes and goes with a steady frequency. I get closer, seeking signs of life beyond the lifeless noise of living. Mountaintops behind the trees, the birds chattering, the dead poets, Emily Dickinson today, Kerouac yesterday. Not afraid of Virginia Woolf, though I haven't seen the play. With Nietzsche, I might overthink. With Bukowski, I might overdrink. Them and the others, along with the birds, the only signs of life I've read or heard, beyond the absurd lifelessness. God dying on my mind, and I don't mind. Keep the faith, it will arrive on time to the rescue when my work is through. Don't leave me here to rot with the unconscious drones or the robots. For consciousness is a loneliness only the conscious know. Rarely do we find each other outside of a funeral home or the pages of one another. But in them I can laugh at the pressure. What humans do to each other, rats treat each other better. Maybe the roaches too. Roaches eat each other's dead. Humans eat each other's lives, now more than ever. But I can laugh at the pressure, the rent, the bill, the spacious cupboard, the fridge with nothing in it but cigarettes and butter, the notification beaks pecking at me from my phone, the game, always the goddamn game. Though some of us are awake to it, it might devour us just the same, sooner or later. I talk to my Creator, grateful and patiently. Let my purpose be served, then release me. Release me to the poets and the birds. Thanks for watching.